Hi, in this video, I will show you how to open a Starling Bank account. So, opening a Starling Bank account is quick, digital, and straightforward. First, these are the eligibilities. So, you must be 16 years or older. You need to be a UK resident with the right to reside in the UK, and you must use the account for personal purposes only for a standard and personal current account. You will also need a smartphone to use the app since the application is app-based. Now, the documents that you will need is a valid photo ID like passport, UK driving license, UK residence permit, or EU or EEA ID card. Now, you may also need proof of address, for example, recent utility bill or bank statement or UK driving license showing address. Now, how to open the account? What you'll have to simply do is scan this QR code with your phone and you'll be taken to the App Store. You'll have to download the Starling Bank app and finish your application in the app. So, simply open the application and choose Open a new account. Then, enter your personal details like name, address, date of birth, phone number, and email address. Complete identity verification like upload your photo of your ID, take a selfie or video as prompted, then submit your application. In many cases, the account number will be available within minutes to hours. Once approved, order your debit card if you need one, and you can begin using your account for income, payments, and everyday banking. So, opening the account is free, and if you are an international student or new to UK, you can still apply. Also, if your application is declined, the bank may not provide an explanation. And that's it. You're ready to open your Starling Bank account and start banking fully online. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.